What is up and welcome in this another tutorial. I hope you'll find it cool and having chill. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how can you change your hair color. After applying this, when you wash this hair, it will be changed to the original color. So I'm applying the silver color because I think nowadays it's quite unique color, okay? So let's watch how did I get this color. So let's apply this right now.
Pull the trigger, ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger.
So see you in my next tutorial.